I realized, wait lang, para pala ako nagtapon ng pera. With all the money I spent to convince the customers to visit my store for the first time, and I have no strategies to keep them. Sayang yung ginastos ko. And that's the time I did my research about how can I retain my customers. And when I was doing my research, doon ko na-realize na yung mga big enterprises pala are taking advantage of this to maximize the spending of each of the customers that they have. Kaya si SM merong Smack, si Ayala may Zing, si Jollibee may Happy Plus. Pero bakit tayo wala? I found out that the reason why is because all the products that are available are designed for enterprises. Meaning they're very complicated to use and at the same time very expensive. There's no way I can afford it. But here's the good news. I have found a way to make this solution accessible to all businesses.